Hello all, welcome to Kanama Cooks, and today we are making a recipe for fiber-loaded masala sola paniyaram made with sorghum millet and rice. These paniyarams are flavored with a tasty coconut masala paste and it's so delicious. Here is how to do it. First, let's soak all the ingredients. Take a bowl and add all the ingredients to the bowl. I am adding 1 cup of sorghum millets, that is Jowar. It's also called as Solam in Tamil and that's why the name Sola Paniyaram. And 1 cup of idli rice. If you cannot source idli rice, any kind of parboiled white rice like poni rice can also be used for making this recipe. Add half a cup of unpolished white whole urad dal. Add a quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek aids in better fermentation, and finally half a cup of poha, that is aval. The addition of aval will make the paniyarams very fluffy. Wash everything in water once or twice and get rid of the starchy water as much as possible. All the ingredients can be soaked together for this recipe. No need to soak them separately. Soak everything for about 4 hours. The grains should have absorbed the water and should have swollen up after about 4 hours. Drain the soaking water completely as millets have anti-nutrients called phytates and soaking can reduce them to a certain extent. So get rid of the soaking water by draining them on a colander. Grind the drained grains in a heavy-duty mixie to a smooth paste. Add about 2 cups of water while grinding. Grind in batches and do not crowd the mixie. The batter should be smooth in texture. Add a teaspoon of salt to the ground batter and mix well to combine. Mix well so the salt is distributed evenly. I like to salt the batter soon after it is ground as it will keep away unwanted bacteria while fermenting. Use a big bowl as the batter will rise during fermentation. After mixing, cover the bowl with a lid and allow it to ferment in a draft-free place at room temperature for about 6 to 8 hours. It might take a little longer if you live in a cold place. If you live in a cold place, ferment inside an oven with its pilot light alone turned on so it will keep the oven at ideal temperature. After fermenting, the batter should look very bubbly and should have risen well. Mix the batter with a spatula. Our batter is now ready. At this stage, the batter can be stored in a refrigerator and used within a couple of days. To make the masala sola paniyarams, we shall make a masala paste. Take a small mixie jar and add in some shallots, fresh shredded coconut, curry leaves, cumin seeds and some green chilies. Grind everything to a coarse paste. Grinding this mixture to a coarse paste is important so the paniyarams have a little bit of texture to them while eating. Take about half of the fermented paniyaram batter in a bowl and add the masala paste. Once you add the masala paste, the batter needs to be used immediately and it does not store well. So add the masala paste only to the amount of batter that you will require. Half of the fermented paniyaram batter added to this masala paste will make about 20 to 22 small paniyarams. Add some chopped coriander leaves and mix everything well to combine. Our masala paniyaram batter is now ready. Heat a paniyarakal on medium flame and grease it with Indian-style sesame oil. Indian-style sesame oil is untoasted and has a very unique flavor. Peanut oil can also be used for making these paniyarams. Once the griddle is hot, add little scoops of the batter to the pan. The batter will rise a little while it cooks. After adding the batter, reduce the flame of the stove to low and cook for a couple of minutes. The paniyarams take a little time to cook, so do not hurry. If you hurry, the outside will be brown and crispy, but the inside will still be raw and doughy. So cook on a low flame. After a couple of minutes, turn the paniyarams and cook on the other side for a couple of minutes more. Our paniyarams are done if both the sides are cooked golden. If you're cooking for guests at home, you can also sprinkle little ghee just before removing the paniyarams from the griddle. Serve the paniyarams hot with coconut chutney or kara chutney. Enjoy. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please do leave a comment below. Show us a little love by hitting that subscribe button and do share this recipe with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's me Suguna signing off, and take care. Bye bye.